If you want to get more creative with your streams, or you don't want to show your background when you're live, you may want to get a green screen. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and look at the green screen made by Elgato, and I've had it for about 4 years now, so I can share everything you need to know to decide if it's right for you. And towards the end, I'll show you how to get it all set up in OBS or Streamlabs. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, let's go ahead and talk about the design. It comes in a nice aluminum casing that protects the green screen when stored away or traveling. I've moved with it multiple times and it's never gotten damaged. Then on the base, it has feet. So when you're storing it away, you can have the feet closed. And then when you're going to use the green screen, you want to make sure the feet are out to stabilize the green screen. Otherwise, the green screen will fall. And I learned that the hard way the first time I got it. Then to be able to go ahead and open the green screen, you need to go ahead and undo the latches and lift the actual top. And then in the center, you're going to find a handle to be able to lift the green screen. So it goes up about 6.3 feet and it's about 5 feet long. So on the back of the green screen, it has a pop-up technology that locks the green screen from sliding down once you set it in place. So you don't need to use it at the max height, but do keep in mind that you can only go so low with it until the locking doesn't hold, as it thinks that you're putting it away. So let's talk about the green screen material. It's 100% polyester and durable. And one of my favorite features is that the fabric is wrinkle resistant. So when you're trying to remove the green screen in OBS or Streamlabs, it makes it extremely easy. Then once you're done using the green screen, you can go ahead and close it and store it away with no issue. Now, knowing how to use the green screen is only half of the battle. Now you need to know how to go ahead and set it up so you can use it in your videos and live stream. So if you stream using OBS, go ahead and watch this video to learn how to set it up. And if you stream using Streamlabs, go ahead and watch this video right here to learn how to set it up. I'll see you guys in the next video.